Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be diving into one of the most common questions creators have. How much does YouTube pay for 1,000 views in 2025? We look at ad revenue, niche differences, and smart ways creators can increase their earnings. So if you're not yet subscribed, make sure to smash the subscribe button and stay to the end of this video and let's get into it. So firstly, let's break down how creators can get paid in 2025. So basically, there are three options at the moment. Now, for the first option, once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time, you can apply for the YouTube Partners Program. While for the second option, once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 10 million public short views in the past 90 days, you can apply for the YouTube Partners Program. While for the third way, once you reach 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours or 3 million public short views in the past 90 days, then you can apply for the YouTube Partners Program. Although the third option method, these unlock things like super thanks and membership, not ad revenue. I personally run a ton of different YouTube channels and I did some research both on my own channels and other people who have uploaded videos talking about how much they make per 1,000 views. So basically, here's the range most creators see based on my research. A low-end channel RPM is anywhere from $1 to $3 per 1,000 views, while an average channel RPM is anywhere from $5 to $10 per 1,000 views, while a high-end channel RPM is anywhere from $50 to $30 per 1,000 views. Not to confuse you, RPM stands for revenue per month per 1,000 views. So basically, your RPM depends on your audience, location, niche, watch time, and season. Now let's take a practical example and take a look at one of my channels that average 1,000 views per one video and basically see the return earnings.
Let's take a look at the recent video that I posted on my faceless channels and let's check out the revenue for the RPM for 1,000 views. Alright, so you can see right here the RPM per 1,000 views right here that I got was $2.64. You can see the watch page ads did $4.77.
Now, in order to make more money per 1,000 views, you can do a couple of things. First of all is to create a channel in what's called a high RPM niche. Like I said earlier, RPM stands for revenue per month per 1,000 views. So advertisers pays more in competitive niches, which raises your RPM. So here's a list of some high RPM niches. You can feel free to write them down if you wish. Now, the first one is tech, investing, finance, marketing, cars, real estate, DIY, and tutorials. That said, some channels in lower RPM niches tend to rack up more total views overall. A few examples of these lower niches include top 10s, prank, gaming, depending on the game actually. Now, another way to increase your revenue per 1,000 views is to create videos longer than 8 minutes. But keep in mind, when creating long videos, keep viewers engaged. Value matters, whether it's education or entertainment. It is not just about length, it's about holding attention. Now, before we wrap up this video, let me give you some tips that have helped me to make more money while creating videos on YouTube, whether showing my face or my faceless channels. So while creating videos on YouTube, I don't rely on the ads alone. Number one, I sell my own digital products. So once you have an audience, think of something that can solve their problem or help them reach their goals. The best part, you create it once and you can sell it over and over again. Number two, brand deals. Now, once your channel grows, companies will start reaching out. They will literally pay you to feature their product or services in your videos. So this is how creators on YouTube, including me, whether faceless or niche channels, make more money from their channels. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment section as I look forward to replying all your amazing questions. Now, do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel to see more amazing content put out here on this channel. I'll be seeing the next one. Stay winning. Big cheers.